Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to turn off keyboard sound on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, keyboard sound can be distracting for some users and may disrupt their focus and concentration while typing. So, disabling the keyboard sound can help users maintain focus and productivity during tasks that require concentration. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, display the keyboard on your device. Then you can turn off the sound on the keyboard using the following steps. Okay, you can find this icon at the top of the keyboard. And then find out the sounds and vibration option. So click to open it. And here you can decrease the sound intensity by sliding this toggle. Or you can turn off the feature entirely. Okay, the instruction guide you on how to adjust the sound settings on the keyboard of your device. And by following these steps, you can customize the sound intensity or disable the sound feature on the keyboard. This allows you to personalize your typing experience by controlling the audio feedback while typing. Adjusting the sound settings can help you create a quieter typing environment or tailor the keyboard sounds to your preference. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off keyboard sound on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.